So we're down here in Evergreen on our other restoration project on Micheldiva Road. Finished the one yesterday down the end of the road. So same sort of thing we're going to be doing today. I'm going to start all of the stonework is removing all of this loose flaky paint, all of this blistered paint on all of the stonework. Same sort of thing on all of the coins. You can see how badly blistered all of the paint is, so we don't recommend painting over that, rubbing down and filling it. So we're going to burn all of that off, get all our profiles nice and sharp as always. All of the bases of the columns, get all of the profiles lovely and sharp on now. All of the paint on all of the bases, get all of that off, get everything prepped up lovely and smooth. We're doing all of the woodwork on the front of this house as well, so front door and frame. Going to be doing all of the windows as well. Yes, it's going to be quite a bit of burning off on here. Same sort of thing as the job we did yesterday. Getting all of the blemishes out of all of the stonework, getting everything razor sharp and smooth. It's all been tuck pointed. Lads have done a really nice job on the tuck pointing, complements the property really well. Up on the top elevation, making good to all of the stonework all around the cornice there. Same again, really badly blistered coins in areas. Got some restoration work to do on the cornice. There was a real bad repair done there in the past. None of the profiles matched in situ, so we've cut that back and we're going to restore all of this, get this all looking good, all of that cornice, and then decorate, like I say, all of the woodwork. So plenty to be getting on with here. Show you some progress later on today once we get some of this paint off, get sanding down, get everything prepped up and get this looking fantastic as always. So if you've got any questions or you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'll be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries you do have. Thank you very much. So this is just a little update video of our Evergreen project. We started the decoration side of things yesterday. So we got all of the paint off all of the coins yesterday. All of the old glue's got to still come off, sand it all down. Then we'll start filling, getting all of these arises really nice and sharp to be rubbed down and decorated. The cornice, we're not going to burn the paint off for that. Customer's okay with the condition of that. Same on this side, getting all of the paint off all of the coins all of the way down the building. So sand all of these back today. Hopefully we'll get quite a bit of filling done today, and then tomorrow we can start rubbing down the first phase of the filler. Down on the next level, not too many repairs to actually do on the coins themselves, just a few areas that are slightly chipped around the edges, but nothing we can't fix on there. And then downstairs, the seal's in quite bad condition on the seal, so we're gonna have to do quite a bit of repair work and filling on the seal. A bit more paint to get off on the last few coins down on this section, and then on this seal here, had so many old layers of paint over it, so it's always beneficial to get all of that off. We're gonna get all of the paint off all of the bases here, all of the paint on the bases there as well. Yeah, you see it's had a lot of filler and repairs done in the past on this seal. A bit more repair work done on the corner here, so we're going to have to probably cut this back, get that in line in situ so we can fill all that as well. So we're going to carry on today with all of this last sections of burning off, hopefully get some rubbing down and filling done today. So we'll show you some more progress at the end of the day. If you've got any questions or you'd like a free quotation, please give us a call, get in contact, and we're more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries you do have. Thank you very much. So this is day 3 on our evergreen project we're currently working on. Last few days we've been burning all of the paint off all of the bad stonework, filling, getting all the profiles nice and square. So all of the coins, all of the paint's been burnt off all of the coins now. Started filling yesterday, rubbing down today, getting all of the arises as always perfect and square. A few repairs to do on the stonework here and there. All of the other stoneworks is in good condition, doesn't need burning off, so that's all being rubbed down and prepared. Same sort of thing in these corners, getting all of these arises going to be razor sharp, all of these edges down here, getting everything nice and square, ready for painting. So the next few days we'll start getting some coats of paint on all of this stonework, and then we'll assess what needs going over again and filling, and then rub down again and fill. So it's been a challenging 3 days getting all of this paint off. Made some good progress. A lot of coins all the way down the building to be done, but it's all about getting the job looking perfect for the client to match this beautiful tuck pointing. So yeah, we'll show you some more progress once we get some paint on, and then get all these deep areas gone over again, filled and painted. And then next week we'll get the cornice work repair done on there. We'll finish all of the stonework, and then I've got another decorator coming in to do all of the woodwork as well. Gonna need to get some extra scaffolding up to do the dormer window and the stonework on there as well. But so far it's a good 3 days work really. Customers looking forward to getting this all wrapped up and scaffolding down to see it now in its former glory. So if you've got any questions or you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'd be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries you do have. Thank you very much. So this is just a little update video of our Evergreen project. We've been doing all the decoration on the stonework over the last week. So all of the stonework's done now. There's a few tiny little bits just to touch up here and now. So we burnt all of the paint off a lot of the stonework here. Squared up all of the window sills, all of the bases. Again, got everything lovely and square, all the profile sharp. All of the columns all rubbed down and repainted. All of the coins looking razor sharp as always, getting these arises lovely and square. So we burnt all of the paint off all of these coins the whole way up the building, filled them all, rubbed them down, filled them, painted them, miscoated, and had 4 coats of paint. Upstairs, same sort of thing. It's come out really well now. This looks really good. Got my other decorator coming in next week to do the woodwork, front door and frame. Some woodwork on the top of the dormer there as well. Really sets it off now. The detail on all of the stonework. All the stonework all through here, all decorated. All the profiles are razor sharp as always. All of the cutting in, all around the edges of the coins, perfect as always. Spot on, looks amazing against that tuck pointing. I've got a stonemason coming in, hopefully next week, just to restore this bit of cornice. That'll all be restored and we'll come back and paint that. It's got to get a bit of extra scaffolding up just to do that dormer. And then we've just got another little open joint to fill. We'll do that when we're doing the repairs on the cornice. Fill that in, blend all of that in and touch that up. So it's all ready for the woodwork now to all be decorated all around the frames. Get all of this looking spot on. Got one repair to do down on one of the coins low level as well, where we burnt all of the paint off. We realised it had blown underneath, so it is always good to remove all of that paint from your stonework, because then you'll get to see how much paint is actually holding a lot of the stone together. So just one repair. I think we're probably going to come back once that scaffold's down. Just want to get in behind where the scaffold is there, just a little bit of making good there, and I just want to square a few little chips up on the sill there, but then we'll run that in once that clip's out of the way. And just another little repair here So once we scraped all of that paint off, it was all blown underneath. So we'll cut all this back, repair that. Obviously it's too deep for filler. So we'll restore that in bath stone, rub all that back, touch this one up here, and then that'll be finished. So yeah, this is looking really, really well. Stonework sharp as always. I'm looking forward to getting the decoration done and the last few little repairs, get the scaffolding down and get some nice photographs of this. So if you do like the look of this project, or you've got any questions, like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'll be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries you do have. Thank you very much.